Hey Danielle, you get your own special little video. I apologize. My instructions on the original Ed Puzzle video were not correct for some of these problems because I had never used Desmos to do statistics and I was teaching myself as I went and I did something incorrectly. So to find the mean, you went to your functions, stats, and find mean and put in x1. So it didn't look like you had trouble with that. Now, to find the other stuff, this is where it's a little different. This variance and standard deviation are if it's a sample. And Math Excel doesn't specify, so that's where I was confused. It wants you to do the population standard deviation. Now, there's one problem later on in the lesson. It talks about sample, and if it does, if it specifically says sample, you can use these two. If it doesn't, assume that it's population and use STDEVP for population and put in X1. That'll get you the standard deviation. There's not a variance population button. So all you have to do though, because variance and standard deviation are related, variance is a standard deviation squared. All you have to do is type in the previous standard deviation and square it, and that's your variance. So mean, find as I showed you. For standard deviation, use standard deviation P for population unless the problem specifies sample, then use the other one. And then once you get the standard deviation, square it to find the variance. Let me know if that helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me again. Sorry about the confusion from yesterday. Thanks.